Disease number two, it's called the longevity paradox. So I want you to think long term, not just what's hot. And this, I agree, is very tough to do in AI because as soon as something is released onto the internet goes wild. The AI space goes absolutely berserk, and everybody's on that new trend. And then guess what? That new trend is now an old trend come next week because now there's something else. So everybody's jumping onto that new thing. It's kind of challenging to think long term, but you really need to fight through the weeds and figure out what thing you want to take forward that has longevity that will be here for 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years. Because if you're building something now that is short lived, it will not be a solid AI foundation. Whereas if you think long term, you'll have a greater foundation, a more stable foundation. So, an example that I always give in my AI consultancies to businesses is when you have these tools. So, for example, when people were building AI avatars, they were kind of patching together 3 or 4 different softwares to bring an avatar together. So, the voice, the looks, the character consistency, and all the other stuff. 3, 4 different softwares. Okay. Now we just have one tool solutions that have replaced all those different 3 or 4 tools. So that's what I call the longevity paradox. So what does that do to your operations, your long-term vision? You have to think about these things. So longevity means future proofing your AI strategy, right? How can I have an AI strategy now